Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to blur your house in Google Maps. So let's start this process. First open your Google Maps. Now here select the street, but I am selecting a street which is a random street. So I'll select a just random house. So now I will just click on this street view so I can show you the houses. Click on the street view and let's say this is the house in front of the blue car which I want to blur. So what I will do is I will just click on these three dots on the top right corner. Now click on report a problem and over here you will be directed to this page. So I will just zoom in a bit so you can see. So as you can see, I'm just adjusting this so that covers my whole house. It covers the whole house, not my, sorry. So over here what you have to do is just click on this which is basically request blurring. So click on this my home option and it says certainly that I have the authority, so I will just click on it, but that's not my authority. I'm just doing it for the video so you will understand clearly. Now you have to give the email address over here. After giving the email address you have to complete this captcha and then click on submit. Then they will get back to you in 1 or 2 days and will ask some questions that whether this house belongs to you or not, and then after giving the answers to that question you will be able to see that your house is blurred in the street view. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.